is Bella taking too long? I wish she's close by.
Then she's close by.
Oh, here she comes.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. I'm so sorry. Hey,
Hey girl, how you doing?
I hope I didn't keep you girls waiting for too long.
Of course you did.
I'm sorry.
What's up, girl? You look so excited.
Exactly. Guess what? What? Yes.
It's already.
Okay, I'll tell you. Benjamin and I are getting married. I'm so happy for you. You right?
Oh.
Are you not going to congratulate her, or you're not happy that she's getting married?
Why will I be happy that she's getting married to a wolf? Of course, he's your cousin, so you won't tell her the truth. What truth?
What the hell is wrong with you? Why would you call my cousin a wolf?
Avala, you're like a sister to me, and I will never lie to you. Benjamin doesn't deserve you. I mean, I have not seen any meaningful thing he has done in your life. As far as I'm concerned, he's just in this relationship because of what you got to offer.
Benjamin has proven times without number that he loves me. I don't know why you don't like me.
Don't mind. You know she's very jealous and privileged. Just because she can't find a man to call her own, that's why she's jealous that you are getting married.
Don't you dare insult me! I wasn't talking to you, you dummy!
You are the dummy here! Go and find yourself a man before you open your mouth and advise anybody.
You know what? Please! I think I'm out of here.
Go!
I can't stand.
Get lost! Stay for! Nonsense.
Why did you have to talk to her like that?
My darling, she deserves it. She's very irritating, always acting as if she knows it all.
I totally agree with you. And but I have been thinking, thinking about this one thing in particular, babe. Where do we stay after our wedding? I've been thinking, like, where are we going to live?
Yeah. Have you forgotten that we had a discussion and agreed that we will both live here once we get married?
Babe, we kind of talked about it, but it's still going to be a deal, babe. Come on, look at it. It's your place. Moving into your place, before you know, people will start to talk like this guy.
Babe, let them talk. Who cares? I mean, this house is big enough and conducive for us. So why not? Or would you rather we move into yours?
No. How can we even move into my house? My house is not conducive for us. I'm just thinking bigger, thinking better for us, babe.
Okay. What do you suggest?
What I'm suggesting, just my own 2 cents. Maybe we could probably sell this place, and move to a bigger house, man. That would be cool.
What?
Yeah.
How could you suggest that I sell this house? This is my inheritance. My parents will turn in their grave if I do that.
Baby, come on. Listen to me. Don't be like this. Baby, you know what? I just want us to think out of the box. Think more modern, Your parents, they've done what they could for you. You understand? It's not like you're selling the house to go and squander the money. You're selling the house to get a bigger, better house. And I'm sure they will be proud of you in the grave.
Babe, I can't. My father specifically said he wanted me and whoever I was going to get married to stay in this house. And I made a promise. I can't.
Alright. You know what? I will move in with you, babe. It's not a problem. I love you. But under one condition. I mean, it makes sense that you include my name in the documents for the property, you know, so that I can feel more comfortable that, you know, together we own the property, so that, you know.
It's not going to be a problem. As soon as we get married, I will talk to my lawyer to add your name to the property.
Oh, babe, babe, you're fantastic. babe, you're excellent.
Favor, I want to apologize about the way Stella spoke to you the other day. You know how she can be sometimes.
It's okay, I understand.
You see, I want you to know that Benjamin is a good...
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, bro.
Well, I didn't know you had a visitor. It's fine, I will come and see you some other time, okay?
So what are we? Come and introduce you guys. Meet my second cousin, Dylan. Dylan meets Avala, my very good friend.
You never told me you had a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful friend.
Aww.
Hi, nice to meet you. Oh, yeah. So fans. Yeah, it's so great to see you. I don't know if anybody has told you how beautiful you are.
Yes.
No, I know, like they've told you because you are beautiful, but how beautiful.
Hey, Dylan, stop flirting. She's engaged.
Well, as long as she's not married, she's single to me.
I'm not single.
Well, I believe I still have a chance.
Babes, look at this wedding dress. It has a boat neck like cut. You know, like the one Clara Kelly made for Meghan Markle's wedding.
It looks nothing like Mehan's wedding gown. Okay? No, really, Claire Kelly. No, Aru Kelly. The designer that made Mehan's wedding gown is Claire Waite Keller, not Kelly. Okay? Please, next time you don't know anything, just shut up. Okay?
What's your own? So, because of one simple mistake I made, is that why you are yabbing me like this?
Oh, I like this one. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Ah, this will look so gorgeous on you.
I know, right?
Wow, you got eyes, babe.
Stunning, right?
Just look at how the veil is. And see the way they created the couple.
I like this
It's
one behind you.
beautiful.
Oh my god, this is beautiful.
Nice.
You have eyes there. Oh my
beautiful
god.
bride.
I know, right?
Barrister, man, I have a job for you. You know, my fiancée wants to include my name in the documents for properties once we get married. And it's just a little thing. I want you to write Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Badmoss on the document.
Don't you think it would be better to include Mr. and Mrs., whatever her first name is, Badmoss, right? To indicate that the property belongs to the both of you, because that's normal procedure with this kind of...
matter. Does it really matter? She's still going to be Mrs. Badmoss.
Well,
So just have Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Badmoss.
it's normal protocol, sir. We normally include...
Are you going to do it or not? Barrister, just tell me. I can find a different, barrister to handle my legal affairs. Just tell me. Are you going to do it?
It's okay. I'll handle it for you.
That's good. Nice doing business with you, bro.
Yes.
Okay, so once everything is settled, I'll just make sure I, get you involved. We'll meet her and we'll just talk about it.
Sure.
All right. All right. Okay. You have a good day.
I like her a lot, okay? And I'm going to take my chances.
But seriously, Avala is so much in love with her fiance. But I really don't know what she saw in that good for nothing guy.
Oh. Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
What's the meaning of this?
I like your perfume.
Thanks.
I'm sorry. I don't know what got into me. I'll be in the room. Okay. You're beautiful in that dress. Should have said that first.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Babe, do you find him attractive?
No, I don't.
The way you were staring at him like you want to eat him up. I would really like it if you find him attractive because you should be dating a real man like Dylan, not some gold digger like Benjamin.
Benjamin is not a gold digger.
A man who lives off a woman is called what? Despite the fact that he works for years, he couldn't even save up to start up a business after he resigned. But he collected money from you and shamelessly left his house to come live in yours.
Can you just stop it? Stop it! Benjamin never asked me for money. I offered to assist him.
And he accepted wholeheartedly. A man who has wisdom would save up for rainy days or even collected money from you as a loan and pay back when he starts working. But no! Benjamin always wants more and more and more.
Just because his business had issues and then I decided and accepted to assist him a few times doesn't mean he keeps asking me for money.
Babe, wake up. For me, Benjamin has done nothing to prove that he deserves you. And you know it.
He has showed me over and over again that he cares for me, and that is enough.
How can you fall in love with a love life? For crying out loud, this guy was your father's steward.
So what? He now owns his own business, and we're fine.
Babe, wake up and smell the coffee. Benjamin doesn't deserve you.
And Dylan does, isn't it? Just because he's your relative now, you think he's better than Benjamin, right? You know what? I think I made a mistake coming here. Have a nice day.
Zavala, come on, Zavala. I'm saying the truth, Zavala.
He's sleeping. Why is he not picking his calls? Phone is on silent. I shouldn't be thinking about him. I'm engaged, for goodness sake.
What is she thinking about?
How is the wedding preparation going?
Fine, man. It's going great. I mean, it's you ladies that attach so much importance to weddings.
Yeah. So, after the wedding, are you guys going to move to a bigger place?
Nope. Avala wants me to move in with her, you know. She says she has to fulfill her dad's death wish or something.
Oh, so you are going to live under a roof?
Yep. But she agreed to include my name on all the properties, so I'm good. At least I'm going to have my respect.
I still don't think it's cool to live with her, but if that suits you,
Oh, come on.
it's fine.
I am good and I'm going to be fine, alright? Don't worry. Alright, and don't forget you agreed to do... No, come on. You said if I get married before 35, you're going...
said, so chill.
Okay? Alright, so deal.
Deal.
Okay, alright. Baby, I hope this whole wedding preparation is not stressing you out.
Oh no, Stella and Favor are helping me out.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Favor. I don't know why Favor doesn't like me. Maybe she doesn't like me. She doesn't even bother to hide it.
She doesn't hate you. It's just that you two haven't been getting along from day one. But trust me, she doesn't.
Babe, she does. Look, I don't want to argue with you because she's your friend. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to prove to her how much I love you. How much I care for you. I'm going to show that every day.
And I love and care about you too. Okay?
Babe, you're the best thing that's ever happened to me. It's like, you're like a dream come true. And I love you so much, babe.
I love you too.
You sure?
I know.
No?
Yes.
Come here. Come here. Let me see you sure.
I think you are dulling things. Favor is there trying to spoil Avella's mind over a decision to marry you. And then you are pushing up the wedding to April. That's too far. What if she succeeds in making her change her mind?
Stella, are you going to calm down? Just calm down. April is just a few months away. It's not far. Avala is not going to change her mind. She loves me dearly. Avala is in love with me. So nothing will make her change her mind. Come on, calm down.
You sound too confident.
Because I know what I'm talking about.
Overconfidence kills.
You just get down from this car and let's go. Shall we?
Fine.
So have you contacted any caterer for your weekly yet?
Oh, Stella says she knows someone that is very good, so I'll leave it up to her.
Stella? I hope she doesn't mistakenly contact one tap at home and cook your food. Because the way she confidently display her stupidity these days is gross.
She's not that stupid.
Okay, if you say so.
So, oh, I'll get the that might be Stella. You know, I told her to come, but she was giving me one stupid excuse. So maybe she can get it. Stella!
Oh dear.
Hi.
Hi there.
I didn't know you were here today.
So you won't come? Why are you avoiding me?
I am not avoiding.
I think you're avoiding me. You know what I think? I think you're attracted to me and you try so hard to fight it.
I can see that Favor purposely invited you over, knowing fully well that I'll be here today. But you know what? I can't see what
Hey. See? They didn't even resist.
Hey guys, wait. What's going on here? What's going on here?
We're just having a chat. You know, a nice chat.
Did you put him up to this? What? Why did you stop pretending? Wait.
You don't have to be.
I'm out of here.
Come on. Really?
What's wrong with you? Why did you do that?
I just know it is. It's not a big deal.
Really?
Yeah.
She's a married woman, you move on. Stop chasing her.
What's the rest of you?
You're just a bad boy.
Mission accomplished.
What the hell is wrong with me? Why can't I get this guy out of my head?
Babe. Baby?
Babe, when did you get in?
What were you thinking about? I mean, you seem to be lost in thought. Is everything okay? Are you okay?
Yeah, I was thinking about us.
Okay. What about us?
Sit. Sit.
Okay. What about us?
Sweetheart, why don't we just forget about this big wedding? Yes. Let's go get married at the registry as soon as possible. 3 months from now is pretty a long time.
Babe. Babe, are you okay? Babe, are you fine?
I'm fine.
Babe, I thought you ladies always wanted this big, elaborate wedding. What's the change of mind?
Sweetheart, I want us to go tie the knot as soon as possible at the registry. Listen, I love you so much and I don't want anything bad to happen. Please.
Baby, listen to me. Nothing is going to go wrong. I love you and I will always love you, baby, so calm down, you're fine.
That's the main reason I want us to go get married. Please. Please.
Come here. Come here, come. Come here, come close. Baby, listen to me. I'm gonna make you the happiest woman on earth. You have nothing to worry about. Come on. Alright? Stop worrying, okay? Everything is gonna be fine.
Okay.
I love you, you know that, right? Hey, baby.
Hey, babe. Hey.
Welcome here. Yeah, sit down. Yeah. What?
What is he doing here?
He's the lawyer I told you about, the one who's handling, including my name in your properties and taking care of all the stuff for me.
Oh.
Yeah, do you know him?
No, he looks like somebody. That's all.
Yeah, he really seems like you.
No.
Hi guys.
Hi, Stella.
Stella.
How are you? So.
Yeah. Sit down.
It's this hot specimen.
Okay, this is Dylan, my lawyer.
I never knew lawyers could be so cute.
Stella, behave yourself.
Hi, I'm Stella. Nice to meet you.
Nice and great. I'm Dylan.
Can I have the digit?
Stella, Dylan is here on a very official business. He's not here as a fling, so just cut it off, okay? Alright.
Anyway, so let's get down to business.
Oh, sure.
Can we go to my study, please? Yeah.
Stella, grab a drink. We'll be right back, okay? So what exactly were you doing earlier on? I mean, you were practically throwing yourself at him.
Oh, he's so cute. I couldn't help it.
Well, Avala was irritated. I think she was trying hard to hide it.
Our father has our own life to live. I've got mine. I think I need that guy's number. Seriously.
This number for what?
Each time I get my own personal lawyer.
Go and find one. It's not a big deal.
Please stop being overprotective. I am old enough to know what I want.
Yeah. And I'm old enough and I've had a lot of experiences in my life. And I have to warn you to be careful. You don't just meet people or see people and you want to throw yourself at them. Be careful how you select men. Don't select a man because of how good he looks.
Are you being jealous right now?
I'm pretty good. I'm uncomfortable anyway. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
I believe you.
Shut up. Come on. I'm out of here.
Hello?
Shut up.
Oh my god! Take this. You know what to do with it.
I can't do it, Stella.
This is for your own good.
Stella, why can't you just let me be? I've done enough for you already.
We have come way too far for you to want it back. And you know the consequences. Take it. And just do it.
Okay. Well, you're not eating. You okay?
I am.
It's like something was wrong. Babe, you sure you're okay?
If I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I've been having severe headache, stomach pain, and feeling nauseous.
I think I should take you to the hospital. We can just drive to the hospital tonight.
No. It's not that serious, but I promise I would see a doctor after work tomorrow.
Maybe you have to. Maybe you're not good. Maybe you have to.
I will.
Because I wish I could take you, but in the morning I have to rush out quickly because I have this appointment with a prospective investor. So I want to see him and see what comes out of it.
Oh, okay.
I'll come home right away to come and check on you.
I wish you all the best, love.
What did she do?
The other time I tried talking to her, she spoke to me harshly and walked out on me. She said nothing can ever happen between both of you and that she must marry Benjamin. I said I was even forcing her to be with you.
I don't want you to fight with your friend because of me. Okay? Please make up with her. Okay? I mean, even if she insists on being with him, it's her choice. Just let her be.
But she was going to stop communicating with me.
Have you tried reaching out to her? You know, she doesn't have to be the first one to reach out to you. You can also reach out to her.
You know what? Can we just stop discussing about Avala? I'm very sure your family. Let me get you something to eat. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, you what? You like food. Let me get you something to eat, girl. Avala, why are you calling me like that? Come in. What? Avala, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Avala, what's wrong with you? Stop now. What happened? What? Avala!
Hey, what happened? I got your message. I tried calling back. Which hospital is it?
I called you severally, but you didn't answer, so I decided to drop a message. But I'm already in the hospital.
Okay, let's go. I'll just follow you. Let's go. Walk. Baby, you are not resuming work. You're not going to any office. No, I'm being truthful to you. You won't leave this house until we find out who is responsible for poisoning you.
Babe, I have to. I have deals to close. I have contracts to sign. I haven't been to work for a couple of days now. Babe, I have to resume work.
Baby,
let me handle things for you. I can take care of everything. Like, I can manage things for you. Just trust me.
Thank you. But you really don't know about the business yet.
I do. The auto industry, babe, come on. I might not, be as savvy as you are right now, but I do. Babe, listen to me. I don't want you to do anything that will endanger your life, baby. You are not well. They just try to kill you, babe. And you are everything to me, babe. I cannot lose you.
Babe, you're not going to lose me. Nothing bad will happen to me. Okay? I'll be fine. I'm fine.
You know how worried I've been about you, babe. You know what? Let's start by getting you strong. What do you want to eat? Let me go to the kitchen and make you something. No, we're not ordering any food, babe. Please, I will cook for you.
Okay.
No, babe, what do you want to eat?
I'm fine.
Come on, so you said to tell you. Come on.
I hope you are doing good now. I can't believe you are rushed to the hospital and no one told me.
That's not serious.
Babe, the doctor said there's an ammonium sulfate in your blood. And someone is slowly poisoning you. And you call it nothing serious?
Well, I'm fine now. But I promise to get to the root of this. What I don't understand is who will want me dead?
You know, I have a feeling that whoever is doing this might be in your office. So from now on, you have to be careful of what you eat and drink. I will.
Okay.
Havana. Don't forget. That and some lawyer that Benjamin got to the house the other day. I need his contact.
Babe, to hear saying something very important, you're thinking about a man. What for you? What a woman is this?
Anyways, he's Benjamin's lawyer, not mine. Besides, why would you want the comfort of a guy who doesn't give a damn about you? Men do the chasing and not the other way around.
Nah. That was then. Nowadays, anyone can do the chasing. And you see, Stella, I am going to chase Dylan until he falls for me.
Really?
Wish.
Good luck.
Drive this car, let's leave this place away. You're not serious.
Oh, please. I'm talking about you.
You like man too much. Eh?
This woman.
Sit down and talk to me. Man, every time.
Unbelievable.
Let's go, Jerry. I'm getting tired.
We are going. Chill. Sit back, darling.
What do you mean about it?
Well, somebody recommended me to him, so that's how I got to meet him.
Are you stalking me?
What do you mean stalking you? For the man you're going to marry? That would be very lame, okay?
And more cool is seem to be everywhere.
Not everywhere. But maybe you see me everywhere because I don't know. Maybe you see me everywhere.
What are you trying to insinuate? Maybe you follow.
That's the outside world. That's what it is.
That's ridiculous.
Really? You okay? Yeah?
Yeah. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. I think I'm beginning to fall for Dylan. Just see the way I responded to his kisses. I never wanted it to end. This infatuation has got to end. I have never felt so strong for anyone in my entire life. Not even Benjamin. Just confused. I think I'm drawn to him because he's a handsome dude. But I've seen a lot of handsome dude. And Benjamin is very handsome too. I think Dylan is charming. Benjamin is charming too. So what exactly is my problem? I don't know what is pulling me to this guy, or whatever it is, I've got to stop it. This has got to stop. This has got to stop. Ouch! My head. Okay.
Hey, baby. Oh, how are you, baby?
Hey, babe.
Good.
Yeah, I'm fine. As you do.
Oh, sure. What's up?
I'm good. Babe. You know, these past weeks have made me realize how much you truly love me. And I also realized that life is short. So why waste time in doing the right thing?
The right thing? What are you talking about?
Let's get married next week Saturday.
Baby, don't you think next week Saturday is too close?
Is this next week?
No, babe. I want few people. Babe, listen. Remember that we already started this process before I fell ill. Right? And the 21 days waiting period is ending tomorrow. So I'll just go down to the registry and book us for next week Saturday.
Come here. Babe, next week Saturday seems a little bit rushed, but whatever you want. I mean, just whatever you want.
Yes!
Come on.
I brought the documents, all my properties. I want you to include Benjamin's name in all of them.
Why don't you wait till after the wedding to do this?
What difference does it make? We're getting married next week Saturday. I just thought that you should start the process.
How well do you know this man?
Very well. We've been dating for some time now.
Okay, I would suggest you try and know him better before you decide whether or not you would include him in your property documents. I think it's very important.
Well, what are you trying to do? What are you insinuating? You think I don't know what you're trying to do, right? You're trying to poison my heart into leaving my fiancé.
Oh, no, calm down. Okay? I'm just trying to open your eyes to something. Leave me, okay?
Really? You know what I should have told Benjamin? I should have told him that his so-called lawyer is trying to lure me into leaving him. I should have. Anyway, have a nice day.
That's not the case, okay? Hey, calm down. You're stressing yourself.
I feel dizzy.
You feel dizzy? Do you want to take you to the hospital? Huh?
I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll pass.
Okay.
Oh, I don't want anything.
No. You know I can't eat out for now.
Yeah, for now, just homemade food. Just can't afford to get poisoned again.
Anyways, I came to give you girls the good news. My wedding is next week Saturday at the marriage registry.
Wait, you're kidding me, right?
No, I'm not. Listen, I just want few people present. You and Stella, that's all.
What kind of marriage registry wedding is that? You are supposed to have a wedding that is big. Something that is the talk of the town. Okay, how are you going to plan the bridal shower?
I won't be needing any bridal shower. I'm fine.
Anyways, it's your life.
Thank you. See you guys there.
Wow.
Wow, this way you get to my office for the first time in a really long time. Everything is okay.
Actually, I was around the vicinity and decided to check up on you. So
Okay.
what's up with you?
I'm okay. I'm okay. What's up with your friend, Avala? Because last time I saw her, she was looking really weak.
Just forget about that girl, please. She behaves anyhow. Can you imagine she's tying the knot to that good for nothing figurance next week Saturday?
Yeah, she told me.
Where did you see her?
She was actually here. She brought some documents, said I should include Benjamin's name in it.
I don't understand. Are you now Avala's lawyer?
Well, Benjamin was the one that contacted me for the job. You know, he said I should I should add Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Badmus to the document, right? Which means it will belong to him and whoever he marries. So if he divorces Avala, she wouldn't have any right to the documents or to the properties because her name wouldn't be Mrs. Badmus anymore, you know?
Wait, I can't believe this. This girl is just so stupid. Can't you see that this guy is just so evil? After her money,
Yeah.
obviously. Please, darling, you must do everything to stop him. Please.
You know, I don't even take jobs like that. But I just felt the urge to protect whoever Benjamin was trying to scam. And I didn't know it was Avala at first. I was so shocked when I found out it was her.
So didn't you just tell her the truth?
I was trying to. I was really trying to, but she wouldn't listen to me. It's very difficult to talk to your friends sometimes.
God, just do whatever, please. Just do whatever you just do whatever
Don't worry
to help
about
her.
it. Don't worry about
Please, I
that.
beg
I'll
you,
sort it
okay?
out. Yeah. Well, enough of that. You came to my office. I can't remember the last time you came to my office. We have to celebrate this, okay? So,
Okay.
what do you want? What, you want Chinese? What? Okay, let's go to the
I want
restaurant.
Chinese, right?
You want Chinese rice?
Yes.
Let's go to the Chinese restaurant.
Okay.
I'm going to see the lawyer today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I gave him documents to all my properties so that he can start putting your name in all of them.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby, that was so thoughtful of you. Come on. Thank you.
Dave, you don't need to thank me.
You have to thank you.
Come on, whatever belongs to me also belongs to you, okay? And the earlier he starts working on them, the better for us.
Babe, I really do appreciate you. I mean, I can't thank you enough. I love you, babe. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you so much, babe.
I love you too.
Sure.
Yes, I do. It's okay.
Babe.
Babe,
What, babe? What?
listen, I need to rest. I am pretty weak.
Have you been taking your drugs? Sit down.
Yes, I have.
Baby, are you sure? I know you don't like taking medicine. Are you sure you've been taking your drugs?
I have.
Okay, let's get on the bed. Let's just lie down. Lie down. Yeah. Get up. Alright.
Oh,
Hello, barrister.
hello.
How are you today, man?
I'm doing good. Please have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Um,
So my fiancée, she said she gave you the documents, right?
yes. She was here yesterday.
Oh, that's good. That's good. You know what? I want you to start the process immediately.
Okay.
You know, I don't want this whispering for somebody goes to her and says something and she changes her mind. Yeah, so I just want it like,
Okay.
right.
Sure. I'll handle it. Yeah.
Thank you, my man.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
No problem. It's my job.
Okay, you do a good job. Man.
Thank you.
Okay, I can't have this in mind, man. I have to leave you. All right.
Oh my God, baby, you beautiful. Keep going. You're so beautiful. I can't believe this. Wow, this is so cute. I don't understand. Why do you smile like this? You look great.
No, it's okay. I'm alright. It's just that I have menstrual cramps here.
Are you sure?
Yes, but I've taken something and I'm sure I'll be okay soon. Okay?
Oh my God, babe.
Where is Stella?
She's in the bathroom. She'll join us soon, okay?
Okay.
You're looking so beautiful, babe.
Thank you.
Latest couple in
Yeah, girl!
Oh my darling, look so good. The prettiest bride in town.
This is my baby.
I'm so happy.
Oh.
Congratulations.
You're welcome.
What's it? Avala!
Hey.
Avala, what's it? Avala!
I hope she completed the last dose of the prescription drug I gave her.
Yeah, sure, she did.
Then she's not supposed to be experiencing these symptoms like that. Hope she's been careful what she eats.
Yeah, she has. I've made sure of that myself.
Okay, I've given her some injections, but I'll still like you to bring her to the hospital so we can conduct a more comprehensive test on her.
Okay, doctor, sure. I will.
Alright. So do let her get some rest. I'm sure by the time she wakes up, she'll be better.
Okay, no problem. So, doctor, thank you so much
I'll
for
expect
coming.
to see you by tomorrow at the hospital.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sorry I can't walk you out.
No problem. I'll understand.
Okay, you have a good
Please
day.
take care of her.
I will.
Alright.
I will. Baby, you know, I'm thinking we should go for a honeymoon next weekend, man.
Babe. You know I have not fully recovered, right? Can't we just postpone it?
Babe, that's exactly the reason why I think we should go for the honeymoon next weekend. You know, your whole ailment is because of stress and coupled with this, your menstrual cramps. When we go for the honeymoon, at least you have time to relax, rest yourself. I could give you some, that my magical massage and stuff like that. Just take good care of you, babe.
But I still feel very weak. I don't think I'm strong enough to embark on such a journey.
No problem. Wait till you feel better. You know you are my #1 priority. So can I just rub you down? Can we have some action, baby?
Please, I just need to rest.
Baby, I will be soft. I will be gentle. Just little action, baby.
Just like
Okay, babe, I can just be behind you and just take it easy. You know what I'm saying, baby?
baby, this is how I need to be.
You won't even notice that it's there.
Oh wow, you're really scarce these days. I'm sure because Abala is not married. You don't care about me.
No, don't say that. No, it's just I've been very busy actually,
Okay, so happy baby.
I'm fine. Yeah, I better said I should give you these documents that you can't pick it from here.
Okay.
No, you don't have to open it. They're my personal papers,
Hi. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Good day to you too. I've given favor your documents.
Oh, thank you. Did you give Benjamin his own copy?
Yes, I did.
By the way, how's the investigation going? Any suspects yet?
No, not yet. You know, I don't think it's from the office. Because I stopped eating at the office. And despite the fact that I took all the drug that the doctor prescribed for me, he still found ammonium sulfate in my bloodstream. So I had to stop eating at home. Then I started taking the new prescription he prescribed. I went back to the hospital for checkup.
doctor found no substance in my blood. Wait, does it mean you're being poisoned at home? I don't know. I'm even confused myself. Who wants to poison me at all? Wait, why not just install a spy camera? There you go. That would be going too far.
No, actually, this will help us solve the problem. I think it's a great idea.
I think I'll do that right away. Please, Favor, can you accompany me? Oh, no, I'm so sorry. I'm very busy in the kitchen. Dylan, you know that place very well, right? Why don't you just accompany her?
I'd rather just all you need is recipe.
Okay. You know what? I'll just wait for you to finish from the kitchen, then we'll go together. Okay. Let me check if I even came with my ATM card.
What is your equipment in the kitchen, sir?
This is...
Oh, shit. I might just stay.
Shit. What happened? I forgot my ATM card at home. But not to worry, I'll just rush home to get it. But I'm sure by the time you finish cooking, I'll be back. Okay. No problem. Thank you.
Yeah. And
See you later. Okay.
Why do you want me to follow her? She's married.
Dylan, it doesn't matter. You're not
It doesn't matter. Come on.
It's not bad. Just like you have something in your mind. Benjamin!
Stella. How dare you? How dare you sleep with my man in my own house and on my bed? I thought you said you were cousins.
Which cousin? Benjamin is my man. Every information I planted in your life for personal reasons, and now that is achieved, I want him back.
Benjamin, I thought you said she's your cousin. Benjamin!
I'm totally, I'm sorry, you know, I'm sorry. I was doing Stella a favor and I started to feel something, you know, this kind of connect, and look, Stella doesn't understand what we feel, you know. I messed up, I'm sorry.
I loved you. I gave you everything.
I know.
And this is how you treat me.
Look, I can explain. I mean, she's just messing things up.
Stella, I thought you were my friend. This is how you two play me.
No, she doesn't understand. She got me in this messy place. And she, you know, we have this connect, you know. Can you just give me a break? Let's just talk about it all.
Okay.
It's so funny.
I have a question, right?
Okay,
Because I've never heard you talk about a guy.
Oh, please.
I've never seen you with a guy, right? So are you not in any relationship?
None for now. See, Dylan, I have been bumped too many times. I've had so much heartbreaks. Please, I don't want any man while I'm very okay like this.
So what's something you're giving up on relationships?
Really, I'm just trying to, take my time. Yeah. You man, I get what you understand. You know what? Let me just go get it, okay? Alright. Very famished. Oh, here we go. Yeah.
Oh.
Let me do the work, okay?
Okay.
Finished. What happened? What's wrong? What happened? You saw what? What did you say? Talk to me now. You saw Benjamin. Benjamin and Stella on a matrimonial bed. Stella! His cousin! Anna! Stella, his cousin! Stella is his girlfriend. He lied to me. Oh my God. See, she's going to get a hard from me today. I'm going to get my heat. She's not serious. She's fire today.
Be careful.
Yeah. Ha!
It's okay. It's okay. Hey. No. It's okay. Alright.
Calm down. Hey, listen. No, you're not dead, okay? It's not worth this reaction from you. It's not. Listen. Give me the power, baby. Okay? Please. Just get yourself better. It's okay. You don't have to cry. Everything is going to be. Come on, let's sit. Don't sit on the floor. No, don't sit on the floor. This doesn't. Don't beat yourself because of him. It's not worth it. It's okay.
We're fine.
Come on. It's not worth this.
How dare you! How dare you!
You dare slap me?
Yes, I did. Now slap you again.
Try it again and make sure you go 6 feet under.
Stella, how can you do this to a lady like you? Avalon is a very nice person and she doesn't deserve what you did to her. And you know it!
Well, she reaped what she sowed.
What are you talking about?
Go and ask her about her wicked father. Nonsense.
Stella, you've gone nuts! What wicked are you talking about, Stella? It's a very person I know and you know it! He's a very nice man, Stella, you're wicked! God will punish you! Wicked sin!
Favor? Where's my wife, Abala? I hope she's not at your house because I need to talk to her. I need to see her, explain things to her. Where is she?
Useless piece of trash. Don't you dare in your life call my name again when you're cursed mouth. If I catch you in my house, I swear, if I catch your feet in my place, I wish I called the cops to deal with you nicely. Useless idiot. I don't blame you.
Oh, I'm telling you, I need to talk to my wife. I hope she's not at your house.
Just be careful what you say to her. I don't want you to open your mouth and say anything to Abala because Abala is my wife and I will come and get her. So if she's in your house, I know you don't like me. I don't like you too. But I'm coming to get my wife. Okay? Alright. Coming to get my wife.
Okay, thank God.
Absolutely.
So what?
Yeah, having you with some clients. We just lay down properly, so please.
Yes, sister. Thank God you're fine now. I was so worried.
Where's Dylan?
We got a call from the office for an important appointment.
Oh, I didn't even say goodbye.
You were sleeping, so we didn't want to disturb you.
Okay. I need to go.
Where are you going to?
Anyway, I just need some fresh air.
Take very good care of yourself, please. I don't want to hear stories.
Avala, what are you doing here? You should be resting.
You didn't tell me when you were leaving.
You were sleeping. You know, I didn't want to disturb you because you needed the rest. Yeah? How are you feeling now?
I need to feel back in my heart. I need to feel free. I want to be with someone that loves me.
Babe. Abala, please now, listen to me, Abala. Look, I'm sorry for everything. I never meant to hurt you. I got myself involved in the plot that I just couldn't bring myself out of. Stella orchestrated everything. She planned everything. She got me involved in this mess in the first place.
Really? So, tell me, when you had the chance to leave, why didn't you?
I tried. Believe me, I tried. Everything just became so much. The lies, the deceit just kept mounting and mounting. I didn't know what to do. But I fell in love with you. And I really, really love you, Abala. Believe me, I truly love you. I don't know why, I just...
You know what? You two fit each other perfect.
Abala, listen now, You need to be careful how you handle this, okay? To avoid bloodshed.
Seriously, I don't think I can hold this in any longer.
No, don't worry about it, okay? Just follow the steps, how I laid it out for you, okay? Everything will be fine. Be beautiful. Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
I need to go home.
What am I talking about? Don't tell me that after all Benjamin did to you, you still want to go back to him.
He's my husband.
Well, it's your life. Live it the way you want it.
I need to go pack some of my stuff.
Mom, what's wrong with you? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just morning fever.
For some time now, you've been sleeping and eating too much. You've been having fever for some time now. I think you should go see a doctor.
No, I'm fine. I'm okay. It's just, it's morning sickness.
Morning sickness.
Are you sure you're not?
No, I mean, malaria. Happens in the morning.
Don't lie to me about it, okay? You might be pregnant. And if you are, I want to know who the father is.
What do you mean by who the father is? I don't get it. Of course it's the husband.
Once that child is born, I'll request for a DNA test. Okay? And if it's mine, I'll fight for custody.
Wait. What exactly is going on here? Are you both having an affair?
No. It was just a one time thing. What? Benjamin cheated. I was hurt and lonely. It was a mistake.
What? Come on, we had a mistake. Huh?
That's not what Dylan, hey, Dylan, come on.
What have I gotten myself into?
Dylan, please calm down. Calm down, okay? I think she was ashamed to tell me that she slept with you. And then when she called you a mistake.
There's no justification for what she said. None. Okay, I think she's still very much into that guy, so they can live together for all I care.
Dylan, please don't leave her. Please, I beg you, move God. I think she was pregnant, and that pregnancy might be yours. Please, Dylan, please don't leave her. I beg you, move God. Dylan, come on. Avana, when you call what you had with Dylan a mistake, you really hurt him.
Were you expecting me to say that what we had was beautiful? Remember that I am a married woman.
Married to whom? That fraud.
He's still my husband. I need to go home and claim what is rightfully mine. There is no way in the world that I am allowing Stella to take what is rightfully mine. Never.
Avana, come back. Avala, what's wrong with you, eh? What the hell is wrong with you, Avala? Are you going to take her back?
Can you just stop asking that question? Can you just stop talking like that? Let's enjoy the fruits of our labor. We have a house. We have properties in our name. Why are you bothered? Why are you so worried about something that doesn't matter? Alright? No, chill. Yeah. Wow. You want to make this own special?
What are you doing in my house?
Which house? This house? No, darling, it's no longer yours.
Stella, are you high on something or have you had something to drink?
Madam. It's like you've not noticed that for some time now, this house has been under Benjamin's name. You don't have any property no more. He has just transferred everything to me. So now, this is my house.
Stella, what did I do to you? What have I done to deserve all this?
Do you remember many years ago when your father went to one oil business with one Mr. Ojo?
What has that got to do with?
It has everything to do with this. Your father swindled my father of his wealth. That led to his untimely death. My mother followed soon after. I lost everything. My parents, their wealth. And you know what? I vowed to avenge their death.
Stella, my father did not swindle anyone. He also lost all of his money to that oil business. Few years down the line, he met a friend who helped him with his transport business.
Lies! That's a lie! You know
That's the truth, Stella! Come on!
God, you would come out for him. He's your father. Anyway, I took my pound of flesh by planting Benjamin in your life. He helped me remove your parents' car brake, thereby leading to their untimely death.
Stella. You? You mean you and Benjamin killed my parents?
Yes, of course. I needed them out of the way for my main plan to work.
I promise I will get you and Benjamin arrested.
Avella, darling, you have no proof. It's your words against me.
My name is Barrister Felix Martins. You are encroaching on my client's property and I want you to vacate this house in 2 hours.
What are you talking about? This house belongs to Benjamin and I.
Really?
What is going on here?
Can you imagine this lawyer telling me that we have to vacate this house?
Mr. Lawyer, this property belongs to my lady and myself.
Yes.
So I don't know what the confusion is, but if you're not convinced, I can go upstairs and bring you the documents so that you can see that the property belongs to me.
Please let me see the documents.
All right. Just give me a moment.
It's about to go now.
Okay, take a look at the original document of the house. What did you even tell him?
Yes.
This document is fake.
You're joking, right? This is the original document. It came straight from the lawyer's office.
That must be a joke.
Here with me is the original deed of assignment from Mr. Okoye. And he willed everything to his daughter, Aval Okoye.
Yeah, of course I know, but she transferred this property to me in my name. So I don't know what you're talking about.
What you have is fake. And I need both of you to leave this house or call the police.
Dylan gave us fake documents. It's not possible.
Right?
No, can't be true. What did you do?
Well, listen. I need you two fraudsters to pack your things and leave my house this minute.
I'll have both of you arrested. Leave now.
Look, I will clarify this thing, okay? Just calm down. I'm going to clarify everything. She's a fraud. You deceived me, right?
Mr. Benjamin, pack your things and leave the house.
So you connived with Dylan. That's what you did. This is not over. This is not over. This is not over. Come on, don't worry. This is not over.
Oh, babe!
Hey.
You tricked us. You tricked me.
What on earth are you talking about?
I gave you a piece of job to do. I paid you for the job and you gave me fake documents.
Well, I'm sorry, I don't engage in illegal businesses, okay?
Illegal business?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me? You took my money, you deceived me. What's wrong with you?
Okay, calm down, I'll call security.
You know what? I will deal with you mercilessly.
Alright.
No one steps from a cobra's tail and live to tell the story. I will deal with you. You think I have time for you when you were doing? Go on security!
Hello?
I will deal with you.
Alright, Samuel. Hey, Samuel.
I will deal with you.
I need you in my office.
Yes, right now. Barrister. Call security now. Call security.
It's okay, Samuel. Just that. Ask me faster with these things. Alright, take care.
Just forgive you like that after everything that you did to me.
Avala, you are my wife. I'm your husband. Just forgive me. Let's move forward. You know?
No, I'm sorry. You're not my husband.
What?
That's my mistake for it's fake.
Come on now. That's not possible now. Avala, how is that possible? We got married and we did all our papers, our marriage certificate. It's genuine, it's original.
Angela, you must really think I'm stupid. I found out about your wicked plans a few weeks to our wedding. I didn't want you to suspect anything, and so I decided to play along. I wanted to know where all of this was going to lead to. But wow, I was shocked that my own friend Stella was the brain behind all of this wickedness.
It is Stella. Stella she's the brain. She masterminded everything. Look, she wanted to kill you a long time ago. I had to stop it. Several times she tried. You remember all the time you were getting sick? You didn't understand what was going on with you? She was the one responsible.
Liar! Liar! What did you do when I was going through all of those pains? You even poisoned me! You were going to kill me. If you had a heart, if you were even a human being, you wouldn't have allowed her go through with those plans.
I tried. I tried to protect you. I stopped so many things you don't know about. If it wasn't for me, Avala, you would not be standing here. If I hadn't done what I did, you would have been dead long time
I'm
ago.
alive because I was careful and not because of you.
You know what? Let's just stop the argument. Avala, you're my wife. I'm your husband. No, couples, they fight all the time. You know, we have issues and we move forward. Let's just forget this thing and just move forward. I love you, you love me. Bam. It's perfect.
Newsflash, darling. I'm about to get married and I'm pregnant for him.
What? You're pregnant for who?
That handsome man over there. Hey, baby. Thanks, baby.
Just expecting my child. We're getting married.
You shameless traitor. So that's what you wanted, right?
Hey, bitch,
You wanted my wife! That's what you wanted, right?
Benjamin!
Benjamin, what?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Don't tell me you want to leave me for her!
What can't you just let me be?
You must marry me!
Marry who?
Me!
I am Detective Sam. Benjamin and Stella, you are under arrest for the murder of Mr. and Mrs. Edwin Okoye and conspiracy over the property of Avala Okoye. You have the right to remain silent because whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. My clear.
Take them away, please. Take them away.
Officer,
Sir.
handcuff them.
It's not over. This is not the end.
It is over.
You have no proof against me.
You are so stupid. What did you open your mouth to say again?
They have proof against you. Every word you said to me was recorded.
Officer,
This way.
You can. Hey.
Talking about
Nonsense.